So, hey guys, so today we are going to discuss the problem C of Codeforces round 865, and we will see now how to approach this problem. I hope you have already read the problem statement and you know the problem. So basically what problem says that we want to make this array is as a non decreasing array, or I can say it is an increasing array, and we have to perform some operations. Like which kind of operation we can perform? We can select any two element, we can increase them by one, or we can decrease them by one, both. We have to like do this simultaneously, right? So like see if see it is possible to make it. So what we will do, we will like this is 132, right? What we will do, we will hold this, right? And x 1 second, how can we do? So we want to increase this, right? So we simply decrease, we can simply decrease this element by 2. If I just simply decrease this element by 2, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, it will be become 1. 1 minus 2, it will become minus 1. It will become 2. So this is the array. You can see this is an increasing array. Right now this is an increasing array, and it is given that minus negative element can be there. So if you see, we can simply we are able to convert this array into increasing array. So the answer for this array will be yes. If my array is 2 1, right, and if we want to make this array as an increasing array, but we can't do this. If you try to increase it, it will increase both together. So it will be like 3 2, but it will not be increasing at any moment of time, because we have to increase both of the element or decrease both of the element. We can't make this greater. You can try any operation, right? Or like this is the what we have to do now. We have to make it we have to check is it is possible to convert it into increasing array or not. For this the answer will be no. Okay, so how we will check? So basically what I did, uh, 1 second, here's approach. So basically what I did, I just make few cases for an odd and for an even. What I find when n is odd, when n is odd, what I find at every time I am able to convert the matrix, like any not matrix, an array to an increasing array. If n is odd, I am every time able to convert this array to an increasing array, right? You can try this like this. If this is 3 to 1, what we will do, we will simply increase it. It will be 3 plus 2 plus 4 3, and I will just decrease this both. It will be 2 3 3. Now this is an increasing array, right? So for odd it will be every time possible. So I just try to make few cases, I like every possible cases for 3, and I just make few cases for n equals to 5. And what I find for odd, I was every time I'm able to uh, I were able to make an array increasing, right? So, the reason I don't have exactly the proof, but what I found, like, the reason can be basically the extra element in odd. So basically we want to club two element, right, every time, but and in odd element we get an extra element, like with that extra element is helping us to convert this array to increasing if it is not an increasing, right? This was for n is odd. So for n odd, the answer is always be yes. You can try to prove this by making different cases. And now the main case is n is even, which is a good case, right? For a n is even, we have to think about how we can approach. So for if 1 2 3, if this is the array, what we want to check, is it possible to make it increasing or not, right? So what I just simply did, uh, I just check is it is possible to make it. I simply converted it into an increasing order array. I just started converted into an increasing order array. If I am able to convert it into an increasing order, then yes, and then otherwise my answer is no. Like let's I will show you how I did it. So if you if you try to solve this, the answer for this will be like if this is the array 4132. If this is the array, the answer is going to be no for this. You can try it, right? Now we are going to I just did a implementation. Right? And after doing implementation, if my array is sorted, then my answer is yes. Otherwise, no. Answer is no. I just did it like that. I didn't observe anything in this. So if my array is 4132, what I will do first I will convert this to 1. Right? I want to convert this to 1 because I just want I want to make an array like this. 1 1 1 1 1 1. I want to make array like this because this is going to be increasing array, right? So what I did, I make it is 1. To making it is a 1, what I will do, I will just subtract -3 from it. It will become 1. 1 minus 3 will become -2, right? 3 2, right? Now I will hold this 2 element. Now I will make this element to 1. To make it 1, I will have to plus 3, do a plus 3. When I do a plus 3, it will be 1 6 2, right? This is my now array. Now what I will do, again I will try to make it a 1. To make it a 1, what I will do, I will subtract -5 from this. Also I have to do a -5 from this. When I do 1 1 1 -2 -3, now what I got simply that, like after doing I can't increase this element to 1. You can see if I have to increase the element to 1, what I want, I just want to increase this element otherwise, and if I will increase this element, this will also increase, and this is always going to be decreasing. If I increase this will increase together with it, right? So it is never possible to make it increasing, right? It is never to make it increasing. It is always decreasing. If I want to increase this, I will always going to be increase this. So this was my approach. What I just did, simply I converted whole array to 1, 1 1 1 1. If my array is able to become 1 1 1 1, then my answer is yes. Otherwise my answer is no. For this my answer is no. I will also show you one test case which will give the answer yes. uh, mm, just see the test case. 2143 1357 is already sorted, so let's see 3157. Let's try to run my code. Yeah, this is my code. 3157. Yeah, it is giving. Yeah, so it means that we can get yes for 3157. So let's see. For 3157, what I will do, I will just first convert it to 1. To convert it into a 1, what I will do is just subtract -2 from it. It will become 1. It will become -1 -2 -1 and 5 7. Now I will make it 1 also. To make it 1, I have to do increase to 2, or it will 7. Sorry. I will just make to 1 1 1, I just do it plus 2, so it will become 1, divided plus 2, it will become 7, divided plus 7. What I will do now, make it as a 1. To make it 1, I will subtract minus 6 from this, minus 6 from this. So it will become 1, 1. Now if you see, this is an increasing array. This is a non-decreasing array, or I can say this is an increasing array. So for this, answer is yes. So what it is, I just simply implemented this. If I am able to convert this as an increasing array, then yes, otherwise no. This was a pretty simple approach. And now you will see my code. I will show you my code. So this is my code. What I just take a simply a input, of array, and if my n is odd, I just printed yes. And what I just did, I just check for n equal to 2. I just write a simple base case. For n equal to 2, if it is sorted, we have to print yes, for otherwise we have to print no. And for all other cases, what I just did, to make it 1, I just make a element, I just subtracted, I just try to make first element 1. To make it 1, I have like subtracted x from it, and from the second element also I subtracted x from it. And what I did, I just took a difference. I just added difference to another I just took a difference of first element and second element. Like if I am taking this, I am taking difference of this element and this element, and increasing to other two elements. Basically, I am making 1 to, like, I'm trying to make all element 1. If I am able to make all element 1, or I can say if I am able to make, after doing this operation, if I am able to make array increasing, then my answer is yes, otherwise no. After doing this, I just check if my array is sorted. I just print yes, otherwise I print no. This was my pretty much solution. I hope this is clear to you. If you like it, give a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.